Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front brake pads on Mercedes E-Class W212. That's the brake caliper right there, and the brake pads are on the inside. In order to remove the brake caliper, there is two bolts on the rear that we need to remove. There's also a brake pad wear sensor on the brake caliper, which I'll show you next how to remove. These are the two bolts that we need to remove in order to remove the brake caliper. This is the brake pad wear sensor on the other wheel. That's how you remove it. It's a connector, and then you pull it out with pliers. Next we get a pry bar and push the brake cylinder in a little bit so that it's much easier to remove the brake caliper after we remove the bolts. Next we're going to remove the two bolts holding the brake caliper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to take out the brake caliper, just lift it up, and now we can remove first the brake pads and then replace them. Before putting on the new brake pads, first we're going to push the brake cylinder in as much as possible. This is the pliers that I'm using to push the brake cylinder in. And now we can put on the new brake pads. Now we're going to put the brake caliper onto the wheel and tighten the two bolts that are holding the brake caliper. After we put on the two bolts, then we can put the brake pad wear sensor on, and we go on the other side and change the brakes on the other side. Afterwards, after everything is completed, don't forget to press the brake pedal a few times in order to return to normal the brake cylinder, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.